Hey guys, if you're ever wondering what the fees or the limits are associated with your Crypto.com account, there's actually a really easy way that you can access all of this information in the Crypto.com application itself. So I'm going to launch the Crypto.com app and show you where you can access this. So we go to the upper left-hand corner and click on this little settings gear up here. And then once we're in our settings page, if we scroll down towards the bottom, we can find this area where it says fees and limits right here. So we're going to click on that. So after I was done making this video and editing it, I thought it'd be a good idea to interject at this point in the video and go over a real world example on Crypto.com. Maybe they don't have really high fees or no fees at all in a lot of situations. And you might be wondering, well, how do they make their money? And it's through something that's called a spread. Basically, the price that you can buy a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin for is going to be higher than what you can sell it for through the Crypto.com application. So I can see right now I can buy Bitcoin for about $35,766 per Bitcoin. But if I go back to the home page and click the trade option to sell what Bitcoin that I have and click on the Bitcoin option and sell this for US dollars, you can see that the rate that I'm getting is about $35,188 US dollars. So this is a bit lower than what I can buy Bitcoin for. So again, I just wanted to quickly interject at this point in the video to go over how Crypto.com can make their money through something that is called a spread, which is going to be different than the fees that you can see listed in the app. And then it's all listed out right here for you to see all the different fees and limits that are associated with your Crypto.com account. And for me, this really helped the other day because I was wondering, now what's the limit on my card? Maybe I wanted to buy a car or something that's a larger purchase. What would be the limit on that? Because it'd be nice to get the cash back if you could make a larger purchase with the Visa debit card. So what I did is I went down to limits and I clicked on the card for the US. And scrolling down in the US card limit area, I can see the point of sale purchase limit for US dollars is at $25,000 a day and also $25,000 a month. So if I wanted to buy a new car, for instance, that was above $25,000, I wouldn't be able to do that in this instance because that would be above the limit. So that's where I was able to find some helpful information the other day. And a lot of you guys are probably interested in the fees, so if I go here towards the top, you can see all the different deposit and withdrawal fees that are associated with your Crypto.com account and for all of the different coins. And there's more categories than I can conceivably go through in this video without making it ridiculously long because all of you guys probably have different specific questions on the fees and how they apply depending on where you live. And there's a ton of useful information in this fees and limits area, and I hope that you're able to find the information that you're looking for in this area of the Crypto.com application. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how you go about finding the different fees and limit levels that you can access in your Crypto.com account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.